Hello everyone. I wanted to do a quick video about the tournament coaching seminar that we've got coming up because it's a little bit different to what everyone's used to, and we all know that some people struggle with change and things being different. So I thought the best thing to do is put a video together to explain basically what it's all about. Essentially, the whole day is for it's a judge and refereeing seminar. It's for officials to come, people to come and learn how to be officials, how to help out at tournaments, for other officials to come and level up to get more experience. And if you qualify, you can level up. We have a written exam at the end of it. But the middle part, the 3 hour section in the middle from half one to half four, is basically it's a pretend tournament, and it's open to everybody. What we find is that our officials, the only chance they get to practice being an official is at a tournament. Really, there's a bit of practice at our old version of seminars, and the only chance that competitors get to practice being in a tournament is at a tournament. There's a bit of tournament sparring that goes on at class, but it's not. It's nowhere near as close to the real thing. And so what this coaching seminar, this tournament coaching seminar, is going to enable us to do is to basically run a pretend tournament. It's a tournament without medals, and it's a tournament where everybody will be getting ongoing coaching and ongoing feedback. So kumite bouts will be going on, just as they do at normal tournaments. But there'll be a senior official, someone like myself or some of the other guys, who will be stopping the bouts and discussing things and asking questions and asking the officials, what did you see? Why did you score that? Did you consider this? Talking to the competitors, giving them feedback. Try this, try doing this differently, try to move differently. Also, they can perform katas in front of judges. They can get scores, see what sort of scores they're going to get some feedback on the types of some feedback on their kata, so they can improve it for the tournament. So basically, it's a pretend tournament. Basically, do you have to have entered a tournament before to come along? No. Is it just for people who are seasoned competitors who compete all the time? No. Is it open to people who maybe don't want to enter a tournament but want to come and do some karate for 3 hours, want to come and improve their kata, improve their kumite, get some feedback? Maybe they've got a grading coming up, they'd like to work on their kata, get some feedback. Excuse me. And yeah, of course, absolutely. Or everyone can come along. So the whole day, we'll get there for about 12ish, set up some rings. The first sort of hour, 45 minutes, will be me and the officials, the training officials, talking about scorekeeping, timekeeping, administration, generally how to run a table, making sure that people's names are spelled correctly, making sure scores are written down correctly, making sure that the winners' names are passed over to the next round and not the losers. All those sort of things that are very important on the day. One of the most important jobs at a tournament is the admin table. So first sort of half hour, 45 minutes to an hour will be that, Q&As, question answers, and then at about half one, the non-official people will be turning up. And by the way, if you're there as an official, training to be an official, you can also, you're going to be in your gear. You can practice. If you're a tournament competitor as well as an official, you'll get a chance to do your katas, your kumite as well. But the people who aren't being officials, they'll turn up about half one. We'll do probably about an hour of kata, doing some kata practice, kata scoring, things to consider, things to look for, scoring criteria, sort of scores that we want to give for different levels of performance, and then a couple of hours of kumite. We'll have, hopefully, if we've got enough people, we'll probably have about 6 rings set up, and yeah, just bout after bout after bout after bout, basically loads of kumite. So if you love karate, come along, because it's going to be awesome. It's going to be loads of kata, loads of kumite, and loads of feedback, loads of coaching on the go. We'll do some example bouts as well, where excuse me, senior officials someone like experienced people like myself, Andy, Mansang, Danielle, people like that. We'll probably we'll get some competitors in and do sort of like a showcase, some showcase bouts where we'll judge bouts while you watch, and we'll explain this is why we scored this. This is what we're looking for. This is why I overturned what my judge saw, or this is why I spoke to my judge. This is why I asked him. I called him over. So there'll be that as well. And then all the karate dudes, they'll go at about 4:30, and then we'll have a written exam, a multiple choice exam, which is more of an open discussion. To be honest with you, it's not really an exam; it's not a test, because we encourage questions. We encourage people to refer to their manual. We encourage people to ask someone more senior for advice. But it's more of a discussion, and then award certificates and levels, and pack up and off we go. For people coming for the whole day to be an official, for your first time, if you've never been before, it's £15. That basically covers the cost of your GKR tie and the cost of a manual. Officials who are coming to refresh or to level up, it's free. Even if you're taking part in the katas, the kumite, the karate side of things, it's free. All of the people who are coming for the 3-hour mini pretend tournament, it's £7. Simple. All right. So preferably try and pre-book. Let me know. Send me an email. Send me a message. Let me know you're coming. We've got an events page. Let me know you're going on that, so we can get some ideas of how many ties we need, how many manuals we need, how many rings we need to set up. And we'll see you there. Come along. It's gonna be amazing. Just come along. Tell your students, tell everybody, and come and have some fun, and see how well you do at a tournament without the risk of potentially losing a medal. And see how well you do. All right. See you there. Tally ho.